Alright guys, it's brown out, it's Sunday still, and so what we decided to do was come up to the mall and watch a movie, hang out up here in the air conditioning. The only problem is everybody else in Angeles City decided to do the same thing. So, well, it's just part of the fun here. So we're going to be checking out a movie called CoCo. I think it's called CoCo. And sit in the movie theater, sit in the air conditioning for a few hours, and then get out and walk around the mall, see what's going on in the mall. It is, guys. Look how packed it is down here. There's a ton of people here. Come over here and show you how full it is here today. And it is about, I don't know, I think 12 o'clock because the movie starts at 12:30, so yeah, you see it. Very full. Got the Justice League movie playing today. It's an excellent selfie spot right there. Everybody loves to do selfies here, and there's an excellent selfie spot. But over here is where you buy your tickets. Right here you purchase your tickets. Right here. Then you go to your theaters for the movie. Over here is one of the entrances into the theaters. Then right here is your refreshment stands. Your popcorn and hot dogs and hamburgers and sodas and everything else you might want. Because we went to an IMAX showing, the bill for the three of us, price for tickets to get in was 1,050 pesos, right around USD, right around $18, $20, somewhere around there. I have noticed the price of movies have gone up here in the Philippines, but we did get a large popcorn, a soda, and another large drink, and that was only 175 pesos, something like that. So the food's cheap, but the price of the tickets have definitely gone up here in the Philippines. Now I think if I'd go over to Robinson Mall, which is not as big as the SM Mall here, and the theaters aren't as state-of-the-art, I think we would have spent a little bit less. But anyways, can't put a price on, you know, having fun here with your family in the Philippines. But right here is the IMAX theater, and that's the theater we're going to be sitting in and watching CoCo. I think it's called CoCo, something like that. Just a little glimpse inside the waiting area here at the mall, at the movie theater, IMAX movie theater here. You get your little snacks right there. I don't know how well this is picking up. I'm actually using my cell phone. This is inside the IMAX movie theater. Pretty big, pretty nice size. Massive screen. We are down this way. All right, guys. Today I was over at Lucas Mussers' house. Met up with Lucas and Tuk Tuk Cali. Those that are new to the channel, and don't know who they are, there are two other YouTubers here in Angeles City that I've gotten to know very well. If you haven't checked out their channels, make sure to check them out. But yeah, I was over there today. The reason why, here where we live, we're in the flight path of the smaller airplanes that take off over here in Clark. So there's certain times of the day where I can actually fly, and then there's certain times of the day where they're just non-stop coming. So I got to be very cautious when I fly here. Not only that, but talked to a guy that has a drone in this area, and somebody shot his drone down the other week. I guess people think they own the airspace. But anyways, yeah, I was over there today, flying around. Where he lives, it's a big open housing development area. There's no big tall buildings around or anything like that. Everything is pretty much, you know, flat level. The highest thing is a telephone pole and wires. So yeah, I was over there flying around, just playing around, testing things. I got one time it was telling me the wind was too, you know, it was too windy to be very cautious of flying. I did some filming over there, so I want to put it up and let you guys see some of it. It's not a big, huge, long clip or anything like that, but you know, it's something neat to see. You know, the big development area he lives in and all the houses and stuff. So yeah, that's what you guys are going to check out right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. Little clip from some of the drone footage that I did today.